To fix the issue of Google Photos not backing up, this is the video for you, so simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. If the Google Photos which you are trying to back up is not backing up, then it usually comes down on the backup settings, network issues, or the app glitches. Now to fix it, you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing which you need to check is that make sure that your device is connected to any kind of strong data or Wi-Fi. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of strong data, then that may also be the reason that your app is not backing up. Secondly, you just need to open Google Photos on your device and you just need to tap on the profile icon at the very top right, and from here click on the option of photo settings. So under photo settings you'll see the option of backup, notifications, preference, setting, and all of it. So tap on the option of backup at the very top, and on the backup make sure that you have enabled the backup on. So if you have disabled it, then that may also be the reason that it is not backing up. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't help, then you just need to check for the storage by going on Google Photos and typing on the profile icon. So if you don't have enough storage left, then that may also be the reason behind it. So you just need to buy or get the storage from Google itself, or you need to delete some kind of photos or videos to free up some storage on Google Photos. So that's it. That's how you can fix the issue of Google Photos not backing up. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.